Okay, so what I want you to do is just take a piece of paper. Pretend I don't have a table in front of me. You are sitting at some type of work table. Okay, just pretend this is your table, right? So take your piece of paper and you are going to fold it and simply make sure that both edges are completely straight. Okay? Pick about just like maybe a centimeter or a thumbnail away from the edge and make sure it's straight and the same distance of space, nice and straight on both sides. Okay, you're looking for the same amount of space before folding. And the paper should be nice and straight, lined up with the edge on both sides. So that way it's a nice straight line across, okay? So now that you have just some space between the edge of the paper and your new straight line made by this fold, take your pencil and draw a line just somewhere following along your straight edge, right along the edge of the paper, the piece that is folded here. Okay, you see that? So we have just a line from using our edge of that piece of paper. Now, unfold and pick a slightly larger distance from the edge. Pick maybe your thumb as a distance, okay? So unfold, pick maybe your thumb, and remember to use the same distance. And the way to figure out the same distance is, again, looking to see that the edge of the paper is completely straight and lined up with the rest of the edge. And then check over here for the same thing. Check that everything is also straight edge, same distance. And you should notice that the edge of your paper, if this side is truly lined up with this edge and this edge is lined up here, then this new edge of the paper is going to be nice and lined up with the line that you made. So make sure everything is straight, lined up. This is not going to be perfect necessarily. It might be close, but this is just a practice that we are doing. This is an exercise to see what happens. Okay, so now your edges are straight here, both sides. This new edge should be lined up with that line. Draw another line completely along the straight edge, just below your other one. Unfold. You just made parallel lines. Congratulations. You see that? So, think about it. How did you make those parallel lines? What did you do? Okay, so think about what happened for you to make those parallel lines. Think about what exists, what is true to have these two lines be parallel to one another. Okay? So now that you practice that, feel free to make another one below it if you want for practice. And now we're going to answer some questions about these parallel lines. Great job.